how to wear multiple face accessories in Roblox in 2024. So what we want to do is click on the menu here in the top left, then go to avatar. Now once we have our avatar page loaded, hover over accessories and go to face. Now here, as you can see, I have a few face accessories. If I want to add multiple ones or equip multiple ones at the same time, the first thing that I'll do is right click on the accessories that I want to equip and open link in new tab. Now I'll repeat the same process for all of these and I'll explain in a second why. Now what we need to do is click on advanced here. Now you will see all these fields for asset ID. Just go one by one to your accessories that you've loaded up and copy this code here, the numbers from the URL. So right click, copy, go back, paste this code, and now we can close this window. I'm going to repeat the same process for all of the accessories that I want equipped. For example, this one as well. And the last one that I'll do is this one. So now that we have all of these codes copied, we just click on save. Are you sure you want to overwrite your current look? Yes. And now, as you can see, we have equipped multiple face accessories. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.